basically just hold on for dear life. So, with the garden, we went over it with a cultivator. We did that about 8 times. And then I brought my brother-in-law's disc. I disced it up about 6 different times. This was regular grass before that. And then now my buddy and his cousin came over. They brought their tiller. And they're going to till it up real good. And once we do that, we'll string it and get out our hose and get the garden started. As you can see, it's breaking that soil up really, really good. So that there's from the tractor. It did a really good job. If you notice, it's still clumpy, a little grassy in some areas. You come up here, now it's just like quicksand. This stuff is real fluffy and soft now.